Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of me and Monkey GuGu cryptocurrency analysis. So, what is happening recently with the crypto market? It's been going up, going down, and a lot of people are forecasting that it's going to go down all the way. And I have to admit that initially, I also thought that it's going to go down all the way. Why? Now, let's take a look at the charts. So, from the charts, okay, let me just share my chart for a while. From the chart, if you look at it, now, because right, if you look at just a few episodes away, okay, I mentioned that I spotted, or especially on my TikTok, as I mentioned that I spotted a kind of a head and shoulder over here. So this is a shoulder, this is a damn ugly looking tree head, then followed by another shoulder. Now, this is forming, and because of that, usually a head and shoulder with an 82% chance, right, they will drop all the way down. So you can see, right, that this is the danger, which is the reason why I think a lot of people are thinking that this market is going to go down all the way to about 20,000, even as low as 10,000. So that's a possibility, right? Because it mirrors this particular pattern called head and shoulder, or some people call it the Wyckoff distribution, which is possible. However, why am I bullish about it? Why am I so bullish and I felt that the market has bottomed already? Of course, I could be wrong. And remember, I'm always wrong, right? Because I took my advice from this monkey called GuGu. Okay, anyway, so let me just continue. Yeah. Now because when everyone says that the market is gonna go down all the way to 20,000, this is when I feel the market will not go down. Yeah, because the market always shock people and always do the opposite of what everyone is thinking. Okay, the market always have a way to humiliate all the retail investor. Okay, even the whales, correct? So what happened is, of course, right now, let's use the logical investment approach, right, to study this. Now, if this is really the head and shoulder, probably the right shoulder will mirror what the left shoulder is doing. So you can see it's going down and then up, down. Probably will go up again right over here. See, go up, mirror up to this high. If it go up to this high and then after they drop down, then there's a possibility it really mirrors this, and then this pattern will complete. That means it will go as low as about 20,000 to even 10,000. Okay. However, if let's say right, the price continue to go up, go up, go up, go up, break above this level, break up and stay up, that means this pattern already known as this pattern kind of a complete only 50%. Okay, and then pattern failure, a new pattern has emerged. So what are the chances? We won't know. Yeah, we won't know. Now, here's the thing. You have to ask yourself the question, okay? If you have already bought and you bought it at the top, now the market is over here. If you sell, so if you sell, if this recover, you sold at the bottom. Now, if it goes lower, then yeah, then maybe you should have sold. But you won't know, you see, because in investing, no one can tell. So what would be the better approach? Now, the better approach will be if you have bought, they don't sell. If you go down at this point, you probably should average down. And if you go down lower, you should average down more. Now, for people who haven't buy, yes, there's a chance that this could go down lower. But my question to you is, what if it goes back up? What if it goes up here and you never see the bottom? Would you regret? If your answer is no regret, okay, then you wait. If your answer is if it goes up, you will kick yourself, then you should buy some. Don't buy all, buy some. Okay, buy some. If you go down some more, then you buy more. Lah. So that would be my approach, and that is what I've been doing. Okay, so this will be it. That means, right, if I buy some, if it go up, at least I make from here to here if it recover. If it go down further, then it allows me to buy even more because it's lower now. So I will make even more when you go back up. So both way, I don't lose. I will only have paper loss now. Okay, I have to suffer. Yes, there will be the psychology of suffering how paper loss. But you need to get used to that, right? I don't call it loss. I call it like a fee paid for investment. Yeah. And now let's take a look at the outlook. Okay, whether is it looking to go up or looking to go down. The hourly chart, the daily chart, if the hourly chart goes down first, then it will be reflected on the daily chart, right? So if we look at the hourly chart to understand what the daily chart is doing. Now let's take a look at the shorter term chart, the hourly chart. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, it has always been going down. And I spotted just a couple of days ago on Friday and Saturday, I spotted a mini Wyckoff distribution over here. Can you see? Like a head, like a shoulder, head and then followed by a shoulder. So I put on my Tele group chat that, hey, I think we are going down and break 35,000 mark and going to test the 34,000 mark, even break 34 around that area. So I expect it to be a sharp dip pop over around here to retest this 34,000 mark, right? And it did. After that, did it go down lower? It didn't. So I would say this pattern has already completed itself. Okay. And then now we are forming a new pattern again. Correct? We are forming a new pattern again. So with this new pattern, double bottom, and then after it go up, this is considered a good sign for the bull in the short term, because this is a 1 hour chart only. It's in the short term. Now, if this continue to go up, that means if it continue to go up, go up, and break this curve, right, of mirroring the right shoulder, that means we are probably back on track, or no, this pattern no longer stand. We have to look into another pattern to understand, right, what is going to happen to Bitcoin. And why is it that I keep studying Bitcoin? The reason is because, right, whatever Bitcoin do, all the rest of the coins will follow. You take a look. All the can you see the pattern over here? When Bitcoin is down, 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 almost the same, right? Okay, except for some. So based on this, for some of you, you're asking like, okay, if let's say Bitcoin is down, if I don't want to buy Bitcoin, then what other coin can I buy? Now, here is my suggestion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? This is Monkey GuGu, and I'm always wrong. So if I share anything over here, it's just my point of view. Please do your own homework, huh? Okay? And those really don't come and kill me. So this is my approach, and this is what I've been doing, okay? Number one, I will look at the coins, right? That when Bitcoin rally, it rallies more. Okay, because these are the coins that probably have a potential to have more return than the Bitcoin. Okay, and also because Bitcoin, the market cap is really very, very big. The rest of them, the market cap is smaller. So for the smaller cap coin to go up a lot more, it's the chances are higher. So for example, if you see, right, even Ethereum, when Bitcoin is recovering at about 3.26%, Ethereum is recovering at 5.88%. Can you see that? Yeah. And over the last 7 days, recovered so much more. So you can see that Ethereum is going to be probably so when the market recover, so when Bitcoin down, every coin will go down. When the market recover, probably Ethereum will have a higher return compared to Bitcoin. Example, So what else? Can you take a look at Cardano? Not really, but Cardano overall not bad. You can see over the last 7 days, right? Okay, 1.4%. Cardano, it's 13.95%. It's very, very strong. Okay. And then, so you look at coins, right? They are rallying very strong. XRP, okay, Doge, not really. See, Doge, not really. Polkadot, yeah, Polkadot. Cake, and Bitcoin Cash. Oh, Bitcoin also, okay, then Litecoin, Chainlink. Oh, this one, Power, Polygon. Okay, so these are my favorite. And you can just take a look. And why? And VeChain, yeah, VeChain, yeah, very, very important. Now, the other, something to take on, if you scroll down, can you take a look at, where is Shiba? Yeah, Shiba, a lot of people ask me, can you see when Bitcoin recover, they haven't recovered, why? It's because these are called meme coin. So during a market downturn, when everyone is in fear, so the market do not have confidence. And if people were to go in and buy coins, they want to go in and buy coins that they have confidence in. So which will be the coins that they have confidence in? Normally will be the more stable coin, like the large cap coin, right? So that's why during a market downturn, what will recover first? Normally will be these kind of a coin, not the meme coins. That's why it will be best if you avoid meme coins. Okay. So if you already bought, what can you do? Two, one, you average down on your meme coin. If you believe that your meme coin will go back up. Two, like for example, Doge, I believe it will go back up. Two, you cut loss, sell away your meme coins, take your coins, right, and pump into one of those stable coin, which give you a higher rate of return. So how do you see the higher rate of return, right? Which will be the kind of coins that you can look into. So for example, before I buy, of course, those coins that jump a lot really very hard to buy. Like for example, Polygon. Now Polygon, it jumped. This was a 100% jump. Okay, from its bottom 0.75 cent all the way up to $2.40 before there's a pullback. So this coin, I would say you missed the bottom. I would say, can you go lower? Of course, anything can happen. But this is a very good coin, just that based on the current price. If you want to buy about 180, I think still not too bad. Okay, but it will not give you it will not give you, uh, I'm not talking about the future, I'm just talking about the chart. Because if you talk about future, right, Matic can be maybe, I don't know, $20, $20 too much, or 5 times, 2, 4, 6, 8, maybe $10, maybe $8 to $10 range, right? There's a possibility. You have 4 to 5x. Okay, based on the potential, okay, based on the market cap right now, because market cap, Matic, it's really one of the solution for Ethereum 2.0. Is really making Ethereum scalable. So if you look at Ethereum market cap is only how much? Ethereum market cap is about 300 billion, and Matic is how much? Matic is only 11 billion. So it's so much lower. At least, if let's say because of its importance and its prominence, right? If it should be at least about maybe 10% of Ethereum market worth. So that will be maybe 30 billion. 30 billion, that means minimum this coin could be 3x, right? So if it's 3x, then yeah, buying here still considered reasonable, because at least you'll go up to about maybe $5 to $6, right? Yeah. But if you're looking for something that has got but just based on the current chart with more certainty one. Okay, certainty doesn't mean guarantee, okay? Listen carefully, okay? So for example, I'll take a look at maybe, so we go through the list, like for example, ADA. Okay, ADA, the previous high was about $2.40. If this coin will go up to $2.40, you only make about 80 cents, correct? Right? About 80 cents. Okay. So then this will be an 80 cent upside. So you need to remember that XRP, it's about $1 right now. Go up all the way to the previous high is about maybe 190, I'm not sure, maybe 160. So this one will be a 60 cent upside. And if you look at VChain right now it's at 11 cent. If you go up to its high, it's about 240. Okay, it's about 240. So the upside is about 1x. And H bar about 22 cent, go up to its high is about 40 cent. So it's about close to 1x, about 80 cent, about 0.8x kind of return. Zilla Q now is about 10 cents, so go up to about 20. So this one again got 1x. Now then Polkadot, cannot forget Polkadot. Polkadot, the high is about $50, $48. Okay, so now it's $21. Go up, that means about 1.2x. Yeah. So this is what I would do. I would buy the coins, right, that if I look at just the previous high, I'm not looking even at the potential, just the previous high. The previous high, from the price right now all the way to the previous high, what is its potential? Then the ones that haven't reached the all-time high yet, the previous high yet, right? These are the coins that probably give me a better bang for my money. This is how I look at it. Okay, so I will buy this coin. Okay, then like over here, this one maybe just a little upside, but unless you're buying this for its future, that is different. Okay, for the rest like ADA, like XRP, because they are very close to their previous high right now. So unless you're looking at the future, if not, if you're looking at the current point, then this coin, not that there is no more upside, just that the upside is lower than, for example, like Zilla Q, like VChain. Now VChain is one of my favorite. Okay, so I hope I give you some perspective about what I feel may be happening, and also how I feel that the market might play out. So for Bitcoin, if Bitcoin were to go up, all these coins are going to go up, and this coin is going to go up more than Bitcoin based on the current movement price behavior right now. But if Bitcoin is going to go down, all these coins are going to go down. So when you go in, don't go in one shot. Always be prepared to be wrong. However, in trading and investment, you understand that it's okay to be wrong. So long you get it right one time, as long as you know what to do, eventually you will still emerge profitable. And that is the reason why, as long as you know how to manage your money, understand what is called positioning of your investment, you should be okay. So I hope with that video, I look forward to see you again. And remember, this is Monkey GuGu signing off together with Strongerhead. Invest safe, okay? Bye.